Hey, female Nigerian singer wey her name be Tenny, she don confirm to us say she bin get COVID and she survive am. I sure say una know Tenny, the female musician wey like to dress like guy. Even her hair, she cut here. Plenty people know Tenny na because na she sing "I slap police for your case." So una know her well. She say she bin get COVID. Say she survived the COVID o. And now she come talk say she no go risk her life again. Say now she dey go for her vaccination. My people, she talk say COVID dey real o. Plenty people go talk say COVID no dey Nigeria. Say COVID dey where im dey or who put am where im dey. Plenty people dey talk plenty things about this corona. So my people, make una hear am from the horse's mouth. Make una hear am from her mouth as she take dey narrate am. Make una watch.
See you guys, listen, COVID is real. Wash your hands. Make sure you are keeping safe. Oh, hey, this thing is real. Oh, this thing is real. Keep safe. Carry your sanitizer everywhere you go. Wash your hands. Make sure you wear your mask. Make sure you are. Me, I'm going to go and get my vaccine like this because I cannot even risk my life for anything. This life too sweet. I can't enjoy my life. I mean, say this life no sweet. It's sweet now. I go check. My nigga can't allow me COVID. Can't keep seeing me. No, wash your hands, use your mask, take care of yourself, practice social distancing. Person that's chop rice and I am machine now. Person don't die, person no fit chop am. So let's protect one another, man. Let's keep safe.
Now for her mind, she think say this vaccination wey she dey go for go protect her from COVID or wetin. You know say even with vaccination dem go tell you say still wear your mask, dey sanitize, dey do this one, dey do that one. So me I no come understand wetin be the need of this vaccination. If the thing no go protect you 100% from this corona, wetin be the use? Some people go talk say they never chop belleful for Nigeria na to go do vaccination, but na true because I no come understand. Vaccination or no vaccination, you go still dey do all the COVID protocol, they wash hand, they do this one. So my own question be, wetin be the use of this vaccine? Now my own, na wetin I wan understand. And this Tenny wey catch COVID, I no dey argue say whether she catch or she dey lie or wetin, I no dey argue. But Tenny na celebrity, she dey move from pillar to post, even as corona start or even as corona dey and e still dey move. She dey move. You go hear say she don go here for one event. You go hear say she don climb stage, they do this one for New York, they for London. All this travel, why she no go catch COVID? Some people go ask, this COVID, where una dey see am? Me sef I come dey wonder, how she go catch this COVID? See, most people wey dey catch this COVID, na people wey no dey rest, people wey no dey stay one place. Before you know, they don leave Nigeria, go outside country. Before you know, they don come back, carry COVID, come back. They go come, they tell you now, lock yourself, be taking all these things for your immune system to do this one, to do that one. Meanwhile, now you go find am where in day. COVID day, oh no, now you go find am. And all this busybody wey dey, my brother just came back from the UK, ma go see am. You don wear cloth back. You don't know wetin your UK brother carry come back. Whether he carry pre-COVID, post-COVID, or active COVID. You don't wear slippers, you don't wear cloth, you don't go because of waiting. You want go collect shoe, collect cloth wey dem bring for you. From there as you dey collect, you go collect COVID, come back. Go give your family people. From there, corona don dey spread. So my people, na people wey dey travel, dey carry this COVID, and all these people wey dey go meet the travelers, na dem go carry this COVID spread. So make everybody dey careful o. If you know people wey like to travel, if you dey go meet them, wear your nose mask, sanitize. Even the things wey dem go give you, say dem carry come from abroad. No fear say from abroad before dem go reach Nigeria airport, everything don die, the virus don die. Na lie o. Carry that thing in a shoe, carry sanitizer, rub the shoe, carry am go your house. Even the waterproof wey dem use wrap am, sanitize everything. No say as you dey go safe, dey go your house, go relax. Because me I no come understand this kind thing. But according to her, COVID dey real. Avoid people wey dey travel o. If you no fit avoid them, carry all the COVID protocol, they go meet them. As they go back, no forget, continue with the COVID protocol. So that one, na the thing wey I come tell you now this time, na the thing wey I carry come. So my people, make una dey safe out there. Avoid travelers. I don't talk and reach 2 times. na all I carry come for una side o. Carry on your COVID protocol, vaccine or no vaccine. Make nobody deceive you say you don't take vaccine, you no go fit catch COVID. Na all I carry come. Na here I go stop for today. So my people, make una no forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video. My people, United Nigeria Airlines wey bin dey move from Port Harcourt to Abuja bin get 30 minutes violent air turbulence. My people, since I don dey Nigeria, since dem born me for that country, in fact since plane start to move and I dey enter, I never hear of United Nigeria Airlines before. This one na my first time, and first time wetin I dey hear be say turbulence, this one, that one. Finally, after the 30 minutes, flight manage land. If una see the reactions of the passengers wey come out from this flight, you go know say God really saved their life. You go know say dem see death face to face, confirm am. My people, make una watch this video, see how passengers react as dem come out.
Get our bag, please. Okay, God, now you. We're not bringing down your bag. We're not bringing down.
Abi una dey see how people kneel down. Whether people wey dress up, wey wear better clothes, dem no wan know. At that point, I should say, as dem dey that 30 minutes turbulence, their mind no even dey any other thing but their life. At that point, sef, all your money go dey useless, all your assets go dey useless. Na when you go know say your life dey important. I should say dem see death. For people wey dab up, wey dress up to come out, dey kneel down for road where the airplane land, dey give glory to God. You go know that God is wonderful. Dem just dey give glory to God. You know wetin e be? See, people wey never witness turbulence or people wey never enter plane before no go understand that kind feeling. Your heart go dey pound. At that point, na only yourself and heaven with God you go dey reason, and hellfire. You go dey wonder whether na heaven or hell you go go. At that point, plenty people go go dey give their life to Christ. They ask for forgiveness. Some people go even confess, give their wife. If accident no come happen, na war for house. So my people, na the thing wey dey happen. I should say these people dem see their eye open. See, if una see safe flight, say you travel from maybe Kano to Kaduna with flight, and you land safely, that safe flight na real miracle. Una no go understand. People wey never witness this thing, una no go understand. E reach to give glory to God. E reach. I dey tell you. Some people go talk say, which kind airline be this one? United wait, say na new airline. Why all this turbulence they do am? Now why 30 minutes? See, plenty other airlines they don't get turbulence. Whether na Arico, Air Peace, all don get turbulence one way or the other, especially routes leading to Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt where every day rain dey fall. Only by God's grace wey 1 or 2 days rain no go fall. That country, that place, dem call am River State for one reason. Rain dey fall for that place. So any flight wey dey move, dey go Port Harcourt. Sometimes they witness this turbulence. So I no understand why people dey talk say this United Nigeria Airlines. Some people go say na UAR. Na UAR Airlines, they no be Nigeria Airlines. My people, no be so. Even international airlines, they get turbulence. So this one, e really touch people because e take too long. You know wetin e be to dey up there for 30 minutes. If your flight na just 45 minutes, you don already spend 30. Unmovable, unshakable, you just dey one place. You know wetin e be? Some people talk say darkness cover when this thing dey happen. Ha! That one you go fear. Fear go reach you. You go dey see Christ, dey see God, dey see the angels at once due to fear. My people, as I see say these people come out safely from this flight, so dem say dey 30 minutes, and no soul was lost. I say, ma bring am come una side. Make una know say God still dey this our Nigeria. Make una know say things dey happen. Make una know say no be everything be property wey you get. No be everything be money you get. Life na ultimate. Life na number one, because if you don't see, immediately you die. your family people dem no dey fight for your property o. All your sweat, things wey you suffer for, you go hear say one Mazi, one Okon, one this one don come out from nowhere. Maybe the one say you no even dey talk to when e dey alive, all of them go come out come dey drag property. You go come know say life no be property, na God. This one na God do am o. So me I carry am come una side make una know wetin dey happen. So na for una to make una choice. Una fit say na this United Nigeria Airline because he knew na why all these turbulence and things dey happen, or the pilots no know how to pilot am, or wetin una reason for this kind matter. Because me I no understand, but me I feel say na weather, na just weather cause am. But the 30 minutes na wetin I no understand o. Just from Port Harcourt to Abuja, abi Abuja to Port Harcourt, anyone, just like that. Turbulence happen for 30 minutes. So me I don't know wetin to talk or wetin to judge. So my people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section o. United Nigeria airplane, you go enter or you no go enter, or as you don hear this news nothing go carry you enter the airline or wetin. So my people, if una get anything to talk, make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in our next video.